well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that'll make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. Sure, it's Christmas once more.
That was Michael Bublé, Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas. Next one is The Darkness and Christmas Time. Don't let the bells end.
Fading joy and surprise, and the gifts we despise are the mold one with you. On the 25th day of the 12th month, the sleigh bells are on time, ringing true. How we cling each the world to that snowflake's hope in hell that it will end. Don't let the bells end. Christmas time, just let them ring. Best part of last year apart, and it still hurts. So that's why I pray each and every Christmas day that it would end. Don't let the bells end. Christmas time, just let them ring.
Sorry, Danny, I know it's not been your birthday yet, but I kind of have to play this because it is November. And the next song is going to be It's Christmas Time by Gerald and Rick. Hope you enjoy.
It's Christmas time!
Is everybody ready?
Yeah, that was Christmas Time by Gerald Emmerich. A bit of a strange song, very different to what I normally play. The next one is going to be another Christmas one though. It's Christmas Mashup by the X Factor 2012 finalists. And just want to say hello to Charlotte, Danny, Becca, Salma, Finney and Danny as well, the other Danny. Alana, Russ, Ben, Jinxie, Tracy, all the regulars that are in the chat and listening, Anthony as well and everyone else. So, and Hannah and anyone else I've missed off, which I probably have because it's kind of been going quite crazy. But here is the song X Factor 2012 finalists with their mashup.
Doing what they do best, with flashing lights and a whole lot more. It's the X Factor finalists.
When the snowman brings the snow, well, he's just not like to know. He's put a great big smile on somebody's face. Oh, I wish it could be Christmas every don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy. Wait until your Christmas Day. I just want you for my own. More than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
XOXO! Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
You better watch out. You better not cry.
You better not pout, I'm telling you why.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming to
Stop. The X Factor finalists.
Hi there to everybody watching this on YouTube. If you just click this button down here, you can see more of this.
Yeah, you can see more of Storm FM. Gary Barlow advertising us there. That's very nice of him. Up next, I'm going to take you away from the Christmas music and put R. Kelly, Celine Dion, and I'm Your Angel on for Danny. So here you go.